tiẹ̀ o ìlọ́ra bẹ́ẹ̀ ọ̀hún ni ẹ̀rá màmí wọ̀ta nọ mẹ́ swagi sopá yẹn mẹ́ swagi ọ̀hún ni ẹ̀rá màmí wọ̀ta mọ̀ ẹ́ sopá ọ̀hún yànà ẹ̀rí wà ní kẹ́ ẹ̀yà wẹ̀ mẹ́ sísítà làdé ní ma wẹ̀ ń wùnà wà ó nu ẹ̀ màmí wọ̀ta nà mọ̀ ẹ̀ ó yà sí lẹ́yìn ẹ̀yìn hùn màmí wọ̀ta nà mọ̀ wà mẹ́kẹ̀kan. Mami wọ̀ta wẹ̀ mi ò yà wò.
Ìjọ ẹ̀ nà yẹ gbọ́dọ̀ díẹ̀. Ṣé o jẹ́ ìbéèrè àrí mọ́?
Mami wọ̀ta o, ẹ̀wẹ̀ mi ò yà wò. Mami wọ̀ta o, ẹ̀wẹ̀ mi ò yà. Ute you want move obiago have ya so that's 14. Mami wọ̀ta o, ẹ̀wẹ̀ mi ò yà. Yage princess obana me o powo ni ki o. Mami
Yes, so enogi tadawe ho hunda we ugan gbene si ugan gbene mila nogi no mo dawe hume no make na look at to make na we wina adame ho we ni yana na igana na esan tako wo tome swap madame ho do ya we wina oknya we music saga ona mafia music saga. The music saga, Alele Santra, Oma understand the name. No that way, Ona Kale, Simewe Buwari, KGPC, Kavi no Lelewe, Nide Yo, Ari who need your can, who your can in Lelewe, Timwe Buwayari, Nunda, Wama Henebuwa, Oho no Henegbi. Ìyàn gbẹ̀rẹ̀ ládìàn ìwọ̀n ìpẹ́tò ní máa ẹ̀ ìyàn rí ọ̀rọ̀ nígbìyàn bẹ́ẹ̀ ni ìyàn rí ọ̀rọ̀ nípìà bẹ́ẹ̀ ti pẹ́tò ní rẹ́wẹ̀bù níbùn wẹ́rí ọ̀rọ̀ nípìà ẹgbẹ́nu yé yorùbá àtàmúfẹ́fẹ́ asómi sọ̀rọ̀ dọ̀ ìwé mú yúwò wá náà yú hé kwíngó ìjẹ́ iná bíọ́ ẹ̀rí rí ọ̀rọ̀ níjẹ́ ọgbọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ nà kọ́kọ́ ní èyí ọ̀wọ̀ kan ẹ̀ yàgbọ́n àtàmọ́ wọn gàtó ní wọn wọn ọ̀wọ́n tó bọ̀ ẹ̀ kárí ìnàfín nọ̀gbẹ̀rúgẹ̀ ẹ̀ka rí yẹn gbèsè sókun ẹ̀nà yàrá rẹ̀ enogi agbáwẹ̀nẹ̀ ìnagbanu pògodo àtàmọ́ frustration nudeji ọ̀hánú kẹ́ẹ̀ náà yàrá oyún mẹ́wàá. When in Natimia, Moe Megboogin time, Uga Henry Nata, Megboogin time. In my hand, Ebo Hameka, only matter, Megboogin time. No make it now, and my town way. One we go away, a time away. After most frustration, no day. Udoga la diave petuwe la mwiye dore gatenu wekin uwo ene han benu mana derebe umarwa bigai uzon uwere uzon ugade yame ukyokuta ama elize etura wehin ara se wuwa eba inu wale epore jaka enoge no tere Dadawe humewe, hudawe, tire dori emanwe, hudawe, ukondozoe, umaheni waya sweare. Yagi yase, nuwa basugena, tebe ohoye, anya vekpetiwe, efianyagbe, nubetianyagbe, inyo sono, non sunu social media, idio wawe, ona mome, urakawe, atenuhu, Funda wumi glopi no de karowati nwe uzelwe karowati we karowati le etemere ojo junior ọmọ no enegbe ọmọ na rere gbana ọmọ no gware swag ọmọ no yobo kwingo no gbegbe kwawo e mota yondo hama wewe enogi wewina Enoge where winner is it the carowati the carowat? No gay where winner, no gay where winner. When we know it. Is it the carowat? Is it the carowat? Is the carowat? All you were shift ye carowat ire. Una be tonda, e tonda no more. E tonda no henny, e tonda organic cream. Una we tonda no more. Love your organic creamy goo, e tonda, oga henny be. Omone mosi, omone riri bana. How you get it? On our way, no general. Dora ambassador of Thunder Organic Cream. Anna make you an ambassador of Thunder Organic Cream. Organic Cream, no any green. Dora Marago. Ewe na ladia. Una Dora kwa baba. Teme fekolwe. Hunda we no too much igbe. On the side effect. Thunder no more. Iyaro kyan yoregun esi aenu inoge no teme. No get yan.
Wọ́tá o, yáwé mi ò yá. Uki ọlọ́rọ̀ o, uzẹ́dẹ́ orí àmẹ́ lọ́ra. Uki nàkí, uki ọlọ́rọ̀ o. Tó wà ní popularity, ìyá ìyàwó ẹ̀ popular. Yàrá princess ọba náà mẹ́niyé. Ẹ ọmọ kí a kà máa wẹ́, nulẹ̀ ní gbọ́n àwẹ̀rì ọ́. Ewa ya mare, no lene gboma veri yo, inuweje popularity ewe gwalo. Mami wotane sile ye, mami wotane dikbiro yi. Wanye ikwe, ama mera ba mami, nuwegi tie gbuwe enye nemo bi iyi ewe yo. Beatrice Akbaika, uwe ni rehwe nyo call madam. Ege ni mena wish you happy birthday. Umakpo meme o. Ugi berero meme swedi me. Mena rule la diando ate we. Nige zeyo meme. Madam, nige zeyo meme. We may wish you happy birthday, my baby. Ukmo meme o. Laura Benny, e Moroke Zaragoza Riagwe, e Monsieur Nouye Yuegbe, Ovia me, Uwe mami, Ozwoki Orunda, Ozwokba, Onyunyi Movene. Uwe mami wataki not your mave 12. Umame Sakati Kiyo, Selu. No yatie fellow mad women. No yatie paddy bestie. No wagbari fuaro. Say no girl, no girl, see frustration you agbe. Say anywhere out the Frank Victor. Say anywhere out the Frank Victor. Say must you sell you agbe. Ige madam no ma pay. E baba keti e boyo. Alogo we mami. We mami, oye, wadegbe tawe, mami okin. Ya do be you egbere. Imi na mi on my sister. We mi ropa. We mami, tu togi. Tu we impersonate. And then mami wata gele do mo we. Tu we dangre ni ana. Nda. E mami wata. Inyari fwa. Ye madam no mape. O se me you egbe. Ile madam we mape. O se no guwe na mena kavo. Amega ikavo gune. Omo ido awe mi mo manori. Efwa my sister. Ikpigo nuri yuni. We mami wota o. Refreshment, please. Refreshment, please. A musician not me one very me. A musician not me one very right.
You learn that.
A musician wa. A Laura Bell o Morocco. Afiare reweria. Ma emie kene mami wota. Na wale fancy o bang. Rabewa devewa. Na we are sin one another do we no get ball. Lord Rabewa devewa. Eh mami wota. Ni me bere. You don't need to tell them that these people are
No give. Wewe suni wewe handu nime Idio peki na yawe Okadoka dina Uma understanding Mundawe Uwagbenesi Uwagbeneniga Yogi Tadame ho Emami wata luwe kankan Wehemi na te mami wata Emami wata Ugu mami Non forget ne uwe Ovi gasga Udame home Una taka baro kutore oku noti we go gasoni fundawe on a reason ene no la diabu no kuni onya yae tomo no we go uyere monta uyawe ni ona no enogi wagu stress obu nawe oku no da bien wagu stress Italoridian eboridian wagu stress obu nawe no kabie Zero no one video one only cabinet, no dabie. Although would be or would be want to see where he get to Yasan, Ozan Oja ne where every joke would not cabinet or Yaribia, honor be vivani, honor no enoji. Oh, no, when we go your own hunya, when we go your home, while I watch your walk, now my wife, Now my wife, I love my wife. But here is my wife. Traditional marriage, you not do. Bride price, you not pay. Court marriage, you not do. Church marriage, you not do. How she take on be your wife? Because of you turn the woman to Lord of the Ring. The ring where you give the woman. 63 years now, he don't want to pick for engagement ring. If you give am wedding ring, he go born 8 children because you be turn that woman to Lord of the Ring. She not the shame o saherume abosarume si epenuwe ope wa the engagement ring bi ore yowo bo oma mi ebi bi o igo amamu yowo kun urano maybe no a problem ipegele mwe tuwe ore ti mesagawe when I out in menu, a nonsense enough. Every soon regbe ni makeri because too hoa, too cheap, too easy, too cheap, too easy, too cheap, too easy. Who be desperate? Who yagwa look there? Who look there? Oma seti le yo se we ya ye ga yo wa no ya mi bio. Who ga yo bog bebe? Setting we not the loma, setting we not the loma. Or you hear ya a walkway, not more ya trekilla. Or ya to show more the walkway. Or I do me, or I do me, or I go, or we be not my baby, big way. Who might be a piano, a word with piano. Who said if you come, you come. Oh, no logo. Uga when you yami go your one. Oh, highway. Oh, God, let's say where I. Gadami home. Oh, Saherume. Oh, Gatia is saga. Uga hame one. In every nonsense, there is always a sense. Mammy, we know one yona. Then I marry be ye. Okobona. Obona. Come no yami go your one. Oh, Gami Bini. Talking less where I wait see go moda. Talking Yahweh Yahweh. Then it are Ugaro wait sagawe. Umami logi. No you know a bene. Uhona yazesi. Then you and why no way. And wolfenny. No yan near webby. No Yahweh. A single moda part one. God damn it, oh man. Ọ̀wẹ́ àgàbọ̀mọ̀ nọ n'ẹ̀rá mi yúdì lẹ́nẹ̀ gàkẹ́họ̀ n'ọ̀mẹ́kẹ́ náà yáwé mi èyí gbé lóge gbọ́nà wẹ̀nà wò kàrẹ̀ wẹ̀nà wò ná bẹ̀rẹ̀ ẹ̀nẹ̀ ńgbé bá dà mí họ kọ̀sù kàn gbé kọ̀sáré ṣe iwu kàn gbé o kàn sọ̀ èyí mú yàn o kàn wọ́n wọ́ dọ́zú òwe yìí kó dọ́zú ọ̀nà dẹ̀ ìmọ̀ ẹ̀mí òkú ní hóhó wa bẹ́ẹ̀ nù sáré ṣe hóhó wa. When you are the only stupid woman I've ever seen so far in the whole aspirant. Also, I say, well, no, who has said a woman necessity total. Oh, in it, bay. Neti cannot future. Well, always boy, and one you want to salary or salary or having a mirror with that or I do one or wow, it make it come, it get us a Gazin squad, a Gazin family, a Gazin association. You happy say you see a Gazin. Is that your life? Oh, what no yini? Oh, Saru say, what no yini? Oh, meals and no get do or I do when I be ma. Or I do when I be molokun or the molokun what boy, you go a bright price I pay. Very anyhow. Else I may shock by one equal done or when none single mother of the Ruayagbe or Ruani Bwe. Wow, young you over Nayak Ba or Balamia. Ubioka, my pay breakfast, Bogia, I pay breakfast, Bua, in our wagomonaya, Ruwa, Tina wagomonaya, we move, why pay breakfast? Why pay black president? You people, you're the boom, wow, be the whole community with Germany. Carter, yani, what a Germany, wow, be the full community. Single mother increasement, single mother, children increasement, children benefit increasement, children, you will not marry. Oh, why bride price here? Oh, why you give you a boabo? Where I am, oh, a bride price, I'm happy, traditional marriage, I'm out, court marriage, I'm out, it's not Muslim marriage, I'm out, a way more. Why daddy kebe daddy no you why we there why you know only carry every other 28 why you call it benefits no bride price no children oh short why go yeah that's one this one gonna so what trouble a responsible woman you will know her with the responsible home she build. It's not an upset when I say build home. You have big 4 flats. What is your home? Your family, your children. How responsible is your home? When I pay bride price now, how do you expect your daughter to come tomorrow with a man and say, Mommy, I want to get married? When your own husband turned you to single mother and your bride price was not paid. Well, where you go, is your money, is your money where? One people where only. Also, I say I be 11 hours more lawyer. Or is that? Or have your I joined the Carrello Squad Association of Germany. In Germany, now they have Carrello Association Squad, Carrello Women Association Squad. On your video call anyway. What do people think you are living a good life? Very anyhow life, very primitive human being, very primitive set of people. Some wayward women who does not know that they are born from a wealthy home, a responsible home. After coming to Europe because of living alone, living separately, no father care, no mother care, no madam care. You are not living on your own. You have your life to live. You start giving birth like a horror. You start having different Gazin Squad Association, GPC Igbeage Association, Asalekia UA Squad Association, and the more you are Saleka UA, the more you are born like a horror. You are born like a horror. No bride price. No bride price isn't paid. Is that an error? It's an outsider arrangement. Is this 21st century when every yoke is being broken? If they have caused that home, that family, that said in this family, no bride price can be paid. In this family, there are some family who are caused. But if you stand a Nahanoze, if you come out to become a Nahanoze, you will say, no, in my regime, a bride price must be paid. As Umema is speaking now, if you hear my voice now, start to be thinking about it. Your bride price must be paid, whether the devil like it or not. Pay the bride price. Do worry to make sure your bride price is be paid. In the bride price, I would say Edo State is the cheapest bride price so far. With 500 euros, your bride price is ready. I want to win the 1-2 bags of yam. You are winning to the 4, the need to the 4, the web with the wuzo. de sugar, de pamiri, to figure, at the layer, your bride price is repaid. Waga biele to atua, waga biele no ho, waga biele in egile, or a hollow of barandai, without no payment of bride price. It's an upside down arrangement. It's an migodo and migodo. Who deliver no one you bunwato. On my neck, bear many wire CI. Larabel caught a nogi. On now a nogi no sine, a nogi no sine. Wo yo ona huni ha. Wago stress okuna and listen. Hear me and hear me clear. That woman came to deliver a message, a concrete message to Enoge home. Because Enoge is so daft. Because Enoge is daft and dumb. Because Enoge does not know the meaning of a message. Because he does not know the meaning, the difference between a message and insult. I am that is somebody hearing what I'm saying. Enoge does not know the difference between a message and insult. The woman came to deliver a message at that time, as our spirit leads. He delivered that message at that time. There's some message that need to be delivered in the morning. There are some message that need to be delivered in the middle of the night. The time that the ancestor have directed her to deliver that message to Enoge, because Enoge is too dull. It's mentally derailed. It's not mentally stable because it has a low sperm count. Oh God, because of that situation that is passing through right now, because of too much of sugar in our body of the woman of Enoge. The both of them were not thinking, their thinking was too low. They could not solve a solution and say, what is this woman saying? Why did this woman call me at this time? Why is it me? Why is it me? Why is she calling me at this time? What can you just take and take correction and say, okay, when this woman called me, what did she say? She said to me, Enoge, you have to take correction. He said, look, Enoge, why are you stressing your wife? He did not say, Enoge, why are you stressing my brother's wife? Enoge, why are you stressing your wife? She's newly born. Enoge, why have you paid a bride price? Because Enoge is Ozuonumako. Because he does not know his left from his right. He could not pick sense from what that woman said. He could not pick sense from the nonsense. He could not say, oh, this woman has delivered a message. Let me make use of this message. My sister, I'm sorry. I will try and see how I can pay the bride price. My sister is a little mistake. You know how this saga issue comes on social media. That's the reason why you can take it this way, but maybe I'm giving her stress. My sister, I will see what I will do about it. My sister is not my fault. Because he has low mentality. That woman, have you paid the bride price? Or may have TV guess. The bride price will pay. Who you know you are going? Now your mouth lag pass. Now you know if you pay bride price. Now you know the work. Now your mouth lag pass. Now your man is here about social media. Now you the judge matter, but you know the palace. Your mouth now lag pass. Enoge we. Me, I sit down here. This is my kingdom. This is my palace. Where are the Kalon and the Koa? Are the king? When person tell you the truth, that person become your enemy. When person tell you the truth, that person become your enemy. That person is sent by Frank Victor. Now Frank Victor send and come. Thank you, say Frank Victor already get messenger with the send call for you 12 o'clock. You don't say you're strong. You say you be the fear. If not be your woman, when they call you, they come tell you say so the person where she be before you come, they swear for her. But you don't fear. Fear don't enter you. See you are not a man. They talk to you with waiting come up for your mouth.
I read mommy water. Where mommy water? You are impersonating a mommy water. Who say it be who say yo? Who where mommy water king? Nabado amuawe. Who ya ke page? Me where ya be the page? A page ni agbe your boy. Me anya de mommy water we gelekin. Don't we mokin? Eba mi anai. Who da where mommy water? E wo ba yare. Na me kawe bore. A me kawe bore. Kami yenya abala me yo. And do ya yo megbe tate giwere. Say I take you where give me where ya tell 12 o'clock. Who are from Victor Asungu? Who where what I mean where me ya tell from Victor? E where ya tell me no gwan so gwan van boy. From Victor ma won ye gbegbe saga lare ta ala saga na. A ri tell me boy. Wa de vagwa. Avec rien là, la gbeyan ya ti lo abe, yen we because no na me. O yagbon we, e mami water ni me. Ti an yagbon ma wa de pe mami water, yen yo da fi an yo pon wan. Yen dey drip yen yo. Mami water we hin. We mati me we no gi, I want to give you money. You mean na get mami water hin. O mati me we no gi. Tomorrow morning you will see 1 million euro in your account.
You see? On my TV, you know, they want to give you money. You are full of money. What they have more when they can not zoo. And may not time away or say who, or because your life is all about money. Go work it be again. You want to work on any go say at the end. I don't know who I had the yik. Who I had the yik? Why are you about? Because why like go say one way. There is never a time we are digging now. Because why? We go say webby. You will now are like webby, you understand? There ain't no way, my brother. The young master way. The young master way no gi. The young master way. Ye, way lapa, or capside. The young master not look there. The young master way, I love the lapa. Or capside, but waiting here, no reason why. Because why? If you not be only that one alone, yes, away, Ariana Yabi. Woman, I fear not be where to meet up. Also, but I won't know you not to be borrowing. Because if you know where and draft me what to Boadini, you are full of borrowing. All your gadget right from Nigeria. Now your guys close to the gadget. Or when I singlet in Nigeria, I will have you singlet in me against you go bear. I saw young room, I do drag your bone. You understand? Man, I really watch your nana, singlet no what we will not get. You will kill you, singlet no what they know, and you won't bear. It's set, you know. Do you understand? It's set, know. You won't bear. Help Palanyan, we have your 1 euro in open market. Everyone we have you know 1 euro in open market. Uji maka abananya of your euro. Gomunu say, what cast say, what making us say. Oh no why with 1 cent now. Yes, you won't bear. My money and my sweat. Understand? No gi. Udege Laura Ben. Laura Ben ni. Weti bonus no di adin we sagani. E Laura Ben ya mo so wo kan we no ya me shape so wo kan we. Amoye la pa top capside. Ura Laura Ben, ura go tap gila. Ya ge pichi Laura Ben. When no give will drag him attention to that Laura Ben ya ka bo ya view e. Ni Laura Ben ya mo so wo kan we megi like profile we. Yi picture ya mo mu. Me na do life profile, na do picture wo kan we. Okay, popo no muhia popo no muhia yi ya picture popo no muhia woro no muhia o we kibe na mama gbodo emo iya o sawe mezo we nwe iya we breast competition aga elania who is the highest breast the biggest breast on social media o sawe mezo we nwe the vice is is priceless. You understand me now? The biggest breast on social media is Osawe Mezuwe, and the vice followed by Owahawe. You understand? If you bury Benoma, in Moya Yaga or Jalua Grogodo, Brogodo, in Monoma compose, in Mukwa bag membership. A fatness not a yaro kebi on your head, you went big. Any way you why you are. I when you go away, we want to do for. When I use a break, because we can cause convulsion. And one woman can cause convulsion in your life. There are no. Why you say, see, mommy picture what you agree. I don't know, be a girl, mommy picture, what I like, mommy pictures I want to say, mommy, me a post social media. Where you know how didn't you see it? Yare Boga yo gani e mo ye ba e budu. Yan yo bo si le yan si le ya turu ya si. Awo lo yan si le. Asile ame ni pole na chiso ni asile ya turu e na ye gwo mi na gbala ni ma wo ye pesa. Ohun ako yi wo do alaja social media do agon ma wa be yo ara do e. Ko mo no be gun. Ba bo mo o ma gbon we hin. Ma gbon we hin. The man when there are best over over over. Well, we there are best over. For has what social media.
Yes, this is real man water. I bowe uya himbe. Uye bowe ya himbe se.
But the mwebo.
We mami water hin.
Alright, see.
Dawe mami nuwi hin. Owewe hin. We mami water. E peju weni ya gbe yo wobo mo time ahwe.
Wa to na bori won je we. Wa ya gbe page e. Wa hon yan wa gbe page wa ya gbe ati gbe page. We ga ati gbe page ya. Wa live video wa making mad people go come get fear for you, people go dey fear you, say no get don't come out to they go dey fear you. No level you umaka you don't know anything as you just see so you know why you mean ozuogu or now come no gbase egbe no gyoyi e no give me anything about internet or my anything unu na wa lu avec on a goye gore avec on aurait Paris girls thank God for my life I don't get disturb una again if you don't get measure any Paris girl again what when you coming for phone qui peri good ya go rien eva qui peri good no one be à Paris il go rien eva you understand me now here pen concerning mention any women from Paris. Babo moi e ba yin be block your career avec Paris yin be gbe your boy no gba sunu ba wo this man dey talk why mo ha no level no get level won you han mo gbin awon kan wo after yan dey frustration they go dey find who want help them I don't want to see money they call it others are blackmailers they bring girls where they hustle for street they bring their picture they come out they come they frame life for their head in petty gold where they call it goddaughter, where they friend for Paris. Girlfriend, where we see the friend we don't marry, where you don't marry, can't go follow Salome say priceless. Can't turn that one to goddaughter. If you still go France now that one I the summer with. To say we know the story. O Salome say don't Salome, ya soka Salome. For you can't see Enogi, call the follow Enogi. No be the two short. Why you prefer agun we ni? Odogi you prefer kiku yaro awo. Kiku yaro awo. When they betray, not betray us away. Me say we girlfriend of it. You used to come up for live video call the talk. We call your old friend, your old guy man, your old 5 and 6. You call a woman. You see they come live video call the talk. Una see they listen to them. Now, people where they listen to you, now they when not me get when not me you well, think where your own blood, person where they call your own blood, where they call your own twist. No say after they live fake life. The first one be twist. Yeah, say and no give. Now be twist. Now not take command. Now be twist. Now you say confuse people. What it cost between you and yes and no give. You know you can't tell us on social media what it cost between you and yes. If not be this woman. If not be this one, we put for us. If not be this one, we put for us. Yeah, block you, maybe you kill your generation. The bad comment at the movie here. Well, so when you go, I'm not going to go. You want to hold avec au dans pour le GPC avec Biagano avec Woro abo no gba me i GPC wa se plat comme no givali en vont o ko no wi en TV ya wuta se ma me kia Eh. Abi kono gele ni yan gele fo. O paro ni yan ya disgrace wa social media. C'est nonsense wa hein. Eya gana.
Madam, please repeat that last word, madam. Please, madam.
My dear, as I day, I don't even, me and my husband day, my children get a room, me and my husband will then one room, a week I don't will fuck. I just see menstruation, they tell me where this a week I don't will fuck.
Hey, that's not
How me I will come there? How me I will come there? I'll go Jeremy, you go send my husband will go tell me, say, mommy, you need to go Jeremy. Guys, even though when I get last belly, bros, my husband tell me, say, you will go Jeremy. I tell him, say, yes,
madam.
If I will. My husband tell me, say, I will go Germany. I can't say if I go Germany. You know, I did the fuck. I know if stay.
I love this kind of women.
Meaning say they will help you to service your pikin. Everybody get feeling. Everybody get feeling. You go gather money, give me. Say, let me go Germany. Go they do it. A week, I know will see you. I'll go they call you for video call you. They show me your penis. I'll they show you my breast. Now, what you want satisfy me with that? If come there, I will help you. Coco. My dear people, men when send their wife go Germany, but they use their wife to sacrifice for men when they Germany. I know they blame men when they Germany. Woman, no woman can stay 3 months. You know they sick. Doctor, you say no sleep. You they say you get 3 months, no fall. My dear, fuck get what they do for body. Go fuck get what they do for body. As for me, I don't feel stay 1 month. I don't fuck. Don't know they blame me. Yeah. So people say, man when send their wife go Germany. Let them be around. What is that they see? Like that they be. Let's say they go for children for this Italy. They will get they feed their children. I'm with my husband. They see when they feed children. I still they feed my brother, my papa, and my mama for Africa. Waiting. Must still call out the money when they Europe. Plus now, what I get to talk with that one.
Never come out.
See no 15 a month.
I hear you. I hear you,
like you. All the benefits of Italy not concern me. All the things they talk is not concern me. You say you cannot stay.
I don't feel stay, bros. I don't feel stay. Bros, even though let me say, bros, even though I see my menstruation, bros, I just stay. Only that home when I will hold my husband for night. My body will be hot. I will just hold her tight. Now when I marry, I go they call you for video call. They show me penis. I was not before social media now.
They
forget that one. My dear, no woman will not like.
You see what thing Igbe get the cost. There in Igbe asi. Oman agun what we talk about yoko. It cost women. Now woman they talk so. Say she don't fit stay a month. Yema sale kayuwe. Okwo gwana yen stay a month. Yema sale kayuwe. Ebi ni Igbe asi ni. From that way, ebi na magbe be go. Now, what you teach this your body, let them master your body. Oh, when you be a train station for good for 14 years, yeah, Salekia you every day, every night. We have no more you are. Hey, we have no you are. Who the winner free? Who the winner already Germany? No, you are beer. No, we are Italy. You think you will be faithful to you? Call brother, let's see. Oh, everyone faithful to you. How can she be faithful when if I not near it every day? Majority of women of York in Nigeria really go. It's what I'm going to be guy. Every guy I'm going to Henku. From Ebini, Vium to Lagos, Vium, from Vium, Ewebu. O my guy. You know, it's what the near only matter what Edenia say with the only one because in Munake, when you yak in Nigeria, the real moon, they are devil. The day they come from Nigeria, they carry work for the body con Europe. And the Northern area, like many of them are this business who book. It's what that madam or the war is a verb. Igbo on go platform no gina ena hina next stay a month without my bolo sister ya bolo brother ya bolo Bolome, Eridier Babe, Bolome, Eridier Babe, Sister here, Bolome. O sabe, say no give here, Bolome. Bolome, Eridier Babe, Bolome, Eridier Babe, Enogi, Imunano Wauni. This is the reason why. Oh, can I would definitely think Munaliloma. Ọdọ emu you work for a bolo. Or my not a bright pride, even as a movie near what bolo every day a bolo. Near my union live video. Here ever union live video. Tawa bole, no wearing, no wearing, in your wearing, Nick Navo Punu. That is the work of Imuni Beaga. Or see a not a who, Eros, I always say how. On a spirit glory yakene agbove yimi lo yakene a train station e ku aya ara ore agbo gbai eyin mi gbai be ku aya ara ore o pe ran ya dekun na o pe ran ebomoku e sentro ya muna in travel say tomorrow at the location lazy man walk next tomorrow at the location I want to go out movie. I want to go do MC and lazy man work. Many MC they work. Many MC with real MC that they hustle for this Europe. How many musicians went to this Europe? All of them they will do fabrica work before they'll still go compose music. All we know the they do MC work. Anyone about MC, so they to run. Let's go Napoli. Let's go. I back boy Germany. I sale ki ale liko. What do live video? Do I address him? Be an ogilimun. What? Been a licky. What? You never been going or body by the busso. As I talk, na many people be verse because what they tell them the truth. The fact say you don't be a does not mean they don't go pay your bride price. Don't be alone. Come here, come do. We get majority of our responsible women. We do that same behavior. That their husband has, that they respect their husband and they respect the tradition where they come from. But the rest of GPCU, the Monica Gang Association, a gang in the Monica Key, I will call disgrace all of them. I don't get respect for all of them. We just the Monica side. I don't get respect. Where I know, yeah, disgrace wire. Sarah continue. I disgrace all of them. Majority of them, now they do a show for Spain, Norway, Switzerland. In a big country, also la who here in a warehouse. They'll carry small one, carry big one, carry slim one, carry tiny one, carry short one, carry long one. Tell me how they are avumavu no go stress. Because avumavu na katabot. He stretch and he close. He stretch and he close. If he fond of carry someone, if he carry someone, if that someone that be your size, it go pin them down. It go be your size. But if you carry the one with big power, when they see my hand, as you put the one, it don't see open. It don't open. The moment this one they enter, it open. About the time this one they enter, now say it don't open. The hand they open now. They don't be. About the time this one they enter. Now, say na different size they enter. Don't be the same way if it be before, don't become be now. See, and I say it don't open one for ground. Before if I close like now, it don't open one because many hands don't enter. But the someone on that size enter now, this size now hand not close again. That's what the thing can be. Or be understanding me no. Because the thing they always enter now about it is stretch. The elastic, the more the force, as they kill the verb, you understand? That's what the stress. You see, I'm not saying that's what this is up for ground. If you go GPC women, they can wear a gele, they can tie a gele go here, a gele go here, or zigadabo, where they go party. They are party rockers. As they rock parties, they use eye define boy. They look at the fine handsome boy we get swag, boy with the carry cloth for nyash, where they go, we get strength, we get energy, we know how to knock, who are very good in knocking system. The doping system will be activated. They love activating doping system. Once they put you, agbeleyo, asalayo, ihiareo, pepaiwano, a password, a passolayo, a war association. Il y a qui est social media. Il y a qui est no gi. Il y a qui est no gi. Pour na sponsor et no gi me compte même pas au dessin. Wakakabo est sponsor et wakakabo est divide vie gift bien. On en fait sous même. Wahia kuwe okuwa ke Monica qui vient vieux. Wahia fait avec pour de yo on est dans l'Italie que ya kapa ko de dans l'Italie on ko dans l'Italie. On pas ni on dans l'Italie. On y on y go because on y on don support Monica. Wahia kore wahia owa. Ik bia no ile zo ase no we ya pe wa ro zo ase. O bia no ti gbiyan o go we do ye o zedo nu o we do e we chegbu we o jama somi o jama kwada wa o we do. Ik bia so a gbobole le Monica e a support Monica o vie de Monica do. E am there anything wrong with what Monica is doing on social media. They prefer supporting Monica for all the atrocity and evil she's committing on social media. Probably because they want to grow their page. Because after most frustration, after the lies and humiliation they have done on social media, nobody recognizes them. But they feel if they support Monica, if they dance to Monica tune, that is when people will recognize them. Who are they? You are not disgracing Edos, you are disgracing yourself. Because there are those in the diaspora, there are those all over the world, they know the truth. They are okay, they are sound, they are mentally sound. They are not stupid. They know the people that are speaking truth. They know the real Benin people who are real Benin, who really speak Benin. They speak Benin, they know the tradition of Benin. With the Edos we do. We still know the foreigners who live in Benin, who speak Benin fluently, who does not have laws for Benin. Who see when someone is going wrong and still be clapping hand for that person. Azedonu o dege no magba oni me no makeke o yo pa bi pe fen o apo no pa yan wo bi edo e edi ka ya kan no ya ado e edi ni nwa no ya awe edi ya we tedo. The reason we have a lot of problem today is because we the youth of Edo, we are not honest to ourselves. We are too demonic, we are worse than the leaders. We the youth of Edo, we are worse than the leaders of Edo states. How can you imagine one particular woman, everybody's coming against that woman for the past how many years now, and you call yourself a Benin man? You couldn't sit down and think with your brain, with your mentality, and say, what's going on with this woman? Why everybody's against this woman? What are this woman got wrong? Actually, what are they saying about this woman? Let me investigate as a man. Let me investigate the issue people are saying about this woman. They're calling about her different kind of issue. Only you want this one. Only you want this one. Only you want this one. Have you sit down and listen? And for me, in my own case, I come out with evidence. If you watch my videos, if I'm accusing you with the evidence. And then all my evidence is clear and concrete, clear, 100% okay. No, we're not over here. You cannot sit down and think before you start reacting. Then instead, you will just peradventures you want to build your page, or you want to gain fans with stupidity. With stupidity. Now I'm insulting Monica, humiliating Monica, insulting Enogi, insulting Evienivi, and others. So, oh, I'm stupid, or I want to build my page. I've already built my page. I've built my YouTube channel. You understand? At least you should think, this guy don't build a page. The man is still with Monica alone, but still continue insulting Monica. Have you asked yourself why? What do you get yourself? Monica, at least you build a page, or you build a page, or you have a page, or see Monica, Monica boy. Have you sit down to think about it? No. Instead, one day by a zoo, or Vietu, you know, what the body was, what I will be social media. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Amagu Ebun, you know, boy. A man that call himself a man, or Vivia Quayeke, whom ye can want to ye, or have poor, or have belly. And it's shame for those men who they want to go and see the other one. He Bizugbe, Talo. Today, not check Bizugbe life. He has all the another year. The other one, I didn't hear, don't pepper soup. 99% of the women in GPC, 99% of the women are responsible women. 99%, or 99%, 99%, qui l'ont live in the bottom of the aqua. Today, where is he? You now, Don Prince, you are supporting Monica, and you are speaking Benin. You want to add drama. Let us know that you want to add drama. Don't be acting drama that say it is real. While I did that video, I call it be Vera. Vera, and you want to take it off now. Only you want to talk. In conversation, there's a break in conversation. I don't know, my guy. Or how a comedy. Let us know you're real comedy. Don't be fooling yourself, thinking you are fooling somebody. A video where you take Vera, you fool yourself. Do when you know a phone number or a Vera area. I will give you a phone number. Vera. No, we don't need it. I will send it to you. We need that address or already demand. I can send you the man's address. Demand time. I wanted to take one of this charge, adopt one of that child, that boy, especially the last one. If you want to assist him, send him money. That's what the man said. But it's Vera Biena. You know me too well. I was sagaring Vera on this social media.